Hello guys, here I am Rajapal. Today I am going to tell you the most important key points of NCRT which will be very useful to you for cracking the NEET exam. Now let's get started. The chapter Biological Classification. Introduction. There have been many attempts to classify living organisms since the dawn of civilizations. Aristotle was the earliest to attempt a more scientific basis for classification. He used simple morphological characters to classify plants into trees, shrubs, and herbs. He also divided animals into two groups with RBC and without RBC. Two kingdom classification system given by Linnaeus. Organisms were divided into two kingdoms, Plantae and Animalia. Disadvantages. This system did not distinguish between eukaryotes and prokaryotes, unicellular and multicellular organisms, and photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic organisms. Five kingdom classification system given by R.H. Whitaker. All organisms were divided into five kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Fungi were placed in separate kingdom called Kingdom Fungi. Five kingdoms. Characters: cell type, cell wall, nuclear membrane, body organizations, mode of nutrition. Monera. Cell type prokaryotic, cell wall non-cellulosic, polysaccharide plus amino acid, nuclear membrane absent, body organization cellular, mode of nutrition autotrophic, chemosynthetic and photosynthetic, and heterotrophic, saprophytic or parasitic. Protista. Cell type eukaryotic, cell wall present in some, nuclear membrane present, body organization cellular, mode of nutrition autotrophic, photosynthetic and heterotrophic. Fungi. Cell type eukaryotic, cell wall present with chitin, nuclear membrane present, body organization multicellular or loose tissue, mode of nutrition heterotrophic, saprophytic or parasitic. Plantae. Cell type eukaryotic, cell wall present, cellulose, nuclear membrane present, body organization tissue or organ, mode of nutrition autotrophic, photosynthetic. Animalia. Cell type eukaryotic, cell wall absent, nuclear membrane present, body organization tissue organ or organ system, mode of nutrition heterotrophic, holozoic or saprophytic, etc. Earlier classification system included bacteria, blue-green algae, fungi, mosses, ferns, gymnosperm and angiosperm. Under plants, due to presence of cell wall, Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra were placed under algae. Kingdom Protista put together Chlamydomonas, Chlorella with Paramecium and Amoeba. Over time, an attempt has been made to evolve a classification system which reflects not only the morphological, physiological, and reproductive similarities but also phylogenetic, that is based on evolutionary relationship. Kingdom Monera. Sole members of the kingdom are bacteria which occur almost everywhere. Many of them live in or on other organisms as parasites. They are grouped under four categories based on their shapes: spherical coccus, rod-shaped bacillus, coma-shaped vibrio, and spiral-shaped spirillum. Archaebacteria are special bacteria since they live in some of the Earth's habitat, such as extreme salty areas, halophiles, hot spring thermoacidophiles, and marshy area methanogens, have different cell wall structure than other bacteria. This feature is responsible for their survival in extreme conditions. Methanogens produce methane and found in gut of ruminant animals. Eubacteria or true bacteria. Cyanobacteria, blue-green algae, may be unicellular, colonial or filamentous, freshwater or marine or terrestrials, have chlorophyll A similar to green plants, are photosynthetic autotrophs. Mycoplasma, smallest living known cells, can survive without oxygen, completely lack cell wall, are pathogenic to both plants and animals. Bacteria are simple in structure but very complex in behavior. Show most extensive metabolic diversity. Majority of the bacteria are heterotrophic but can be photo or chemoautotrophic. Chemosynthetic autotrophs oxidize the various inorganic substances and play a great role in recycling nutrients like nitrogens. Heterotrophic bacteria, majority are the decomposer and are helpful in making curd from milk, production of antibiotic, fixing nitrogen in legumes, etc. Some are parasite cause disease like cholera, typhoid, tetanus, citrus, canker, etc. Thank you for watching the video. If it is helpful to you, then please hit the subscribe button.